Hi, what we want to start out today with is being able to allow you, I've got a phone right here. This happens to be a Motorola Razr or a Motorola Razr X, or it doesn't matter, whatever you've got, an Inspire, an InFocus, it doesn't matter. And the reason is because all we have to do is we just have to take a case that fits those. We can actually turn that into, using our universal C-2 device, we can turn that into exactly one of these items that were customly built. Being the case, what I want to do is just take your cell phone case that you're currently using. In this particular case, we're going to place the phone inside of it, and it would just be a normal appliance package that you would purchase at a gas station, or whether you purchase it from Amazon or wherever, or you can purchase it from us because we've got all the major name brands. As you place the phone in the back, you'll notice that the eyepiece lines up specifically to the hole. And what our goal is to take the C-2 adapter, which is unique to any phone that you want to use. You can take, and all you have to do is align it, and you've turned a regular phone case into a new C1 universal case that you can apply the lens adapters to, and we'll be able to do some filming on your particular optic by using the correct lens case. Now, one of the things that we're doing right now is we're utilizing the Velcro donuts, and you'll notice it's nothing more than the hook and loop material, and it's got the hole for the perfect size, and all you have to do is center these products. And what we do is we'll take this cover, we'll put it on the back, and then we'll align it with the hole so that this circle that's cut out of the hook and loop material is centered on the lens of the camera. To be assured that I've done that, then I take, and I'm still pinching that, and I set it down on the table here, and I take a pencil and I merely trace the exterior of the phone case. And every phone case will be a little bit different, so it will be particular to your phone case, and that's why we don't cut those out for you, because depending on the phone case that you buy, the case, once I'm done, I've now got a pattern that I can cut this out. All I have to do is take my scissors and cutting on my line. Now I'm going to apply this. I will go ahead and remove the backing, and you got to remember that sometimes before you do this material, you want to make sure that this has been roughed up, or that this has got all the grease and everything off of it. And so the way that you do that is you place this on like how you had it. So in essence, I'm holding it on with my finger, and now I'm taking my pencil, and again I'm taking and just drawing on my case a little bit. As I look at my case, I can see the faint line of my pencil where my sticker or my hook and loop material is going to go. And so what I want to do is I want to make sure that it's clean. And it doesn't matter if you use some nail polish remover, or if you want to use some, just rubbing alcohol. And at that particular point, what you want to do is just grab an old towel or a wash rag of some type. And like I said, I'm going to use this this particular nail polish remover because it's a little bit stronger. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe where this is going to stick. So now that we've washed it off good and applied a decreasing agent, it's time now for us to go ahead and apply, and I hope that you can see that okay. But in essence, all I'm going to do is I'm centering it, and my main goal, remember, is to make sure that my material is aligned so that the center hole is aligned up. And so as I do that, now I'm going to go ahead and apply pressure and stick that down. Now we're ready to add the loop material to the C-2 universal adapter, and we can do that in a number of ways. It's very important that the holes all align. Now, when you're using the hook and loop material, every time you take it off, every time you peel it back on, you've got to make sure you align that. And what that does is, as you look through the scope, that makes sure that your image is in the center of your lens. And I'm going to apply it to the back. Now, right now, if I was to take and just stick that on there, you'll notice that I've got this hook material up here. So I may want to take and apply the hook material to my phone, and then take my scissors and cut them out to fit the same thing. And in that particular case, I won't have any overlapping hook material to snag on my shirt or anything else if you choose to put it in there. Now all I have to do is apply this to my C-2 universal Phoneskope adapter, in which case and All I have to do is align through the center hole, following the same pattern. And I now have a completed mimic of the C1. Once you've got the hook and loop material, you can attach this universal adapter, and at that point you would go grab the exact C3 that fits your optic, go ahead and put it in, and now it's ready to go ahead and attach to your scope.